Hello everyone. Today let's talk about personal finance. What is personal finance? Everything that deals with money is covered in personal finance. Different areas of personal finance are budgets, investments, loans, taxation, retirement planning, etc. Let's talk about budgets. So, a budget is a statement that we prepare for future period that tracks our income and expenses. But what are these incomes and expenses? In simple words, the money we earn is our income and the money we spend is our expenses. Examples of income are rental income or salary. Examples of expenses would be electricity bill or traveling expenses. Now, coming back to the budget, suppose we want to prepare a budget for the next month. We note down all our incomes and all our expenses. When the total of income is greater than the total of expenses, it is called a surplus. And when the total of expenses is more than the total of income, it is called a deficit. If there is a deficit in our budget, that means we are spending more from our savings and we need to increase our income or lower the expenses. We should always try to have a surplus in our budget so that we can save for our future. I have linked a proforma budget for your reference in the description. Remember, if we fail to budget, we will fail to become wealthy. Stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel so that we can learn together and grow together. That being said, I'll take your leave and Jai Hind.